Um, okay. Yo, it's been a little bit. I don't know how good my settings are right now, so I'm super sorry. Probably should have done a little test recording or something, but I didn't. So I'm going to go ahead and go on my phone and see how bad the audio is. Hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully it's not terrible. Your channel. I'm literally just going to watch my own stream on my phone. Okay. Okay, it's not as terrible as I thought. That's awesome. It's been a bit. I don't know. I'm gonna just have this quiet in the background because I want to make sure the stream goes well. Yeah, sorry for the shitty lighting. Sorry for the probably bad audio. Let's let Discord know that I'm live real quick. We can go ahead and yeah, it's been a while since I've since I streamed. I will explain all of that in a little bit. Go ahead and pin. Let's go ahead and where's the link? Copy link address. There you go. But yeah, how's everyone doing? At everyone. I'm pretty sure I have a script that pins everyone for me, but we'll just do it ourselves anyway because we're already here. Red circle. Is the stream right? Is it crashing? Is it good? Let me see stream health. Oh, okay. What the fuck is going on? My phone. Check this out again. Oh, okay. What the fuck is going on? Okay, no, it is good. Check this out again. Alright, my phone's just being weird, I guess. What the fuck is going on? Okay, no. Huh. Yeah, I know. It's been a while since I streamed. I'm so sorry. Alright, let's try this again. Hi, everyone. Live on YouTube. Let's go. Yeah, I know. It's been a second. I know. I'm so sorry. Live on YouTube. Finally. Let's publish it. That's good. All right. Yeah. Cool. So I know it's been like a hot minute and a half. Super sorry. Yeah. So basically, late August, I got COVID, and it was like bad. I was in the hospital for like 10 days, and I had to go into isolation for like 5. So then I was also in here, military college, super fun, fucking hate it. I need to chill with the profanity, so I'm sorry. But yeah, it's been a minute. I missed DEF CON because I was in isolation and all that. So this is going to be kind of a weird environment. The lighting's terrible, the audio's mediocre, but we're going to make, the best with what we can do. And so I'm back for the time being. Anyway, so today I want to work on this bot idea. So this Discord bot idea I've had for a while, which was basically to, post updates from our website blog onto YouTube. That was the whole goal. That was the whole idea. Last time I tried to do this, I discovered a 0 day within the Wix framework, and this time I made a whole video on it actually. I know it's been a second since I've streamed, so this is going to be really crappy transitions. You're amazing. Oh, I appreciate that, dude. I appreciate that. So yeah, basically, if you go on the research tab of Cosmodium, right, there's a bunch of blogs. Soul Sender and System have put out some really cool blogs, so I definitely suggest checking them out. It looks like you guys have been enjoying them. It's like 70, this one's 46 views. That's cool. But yeah, basically, I want Discord to be notified when we post out new blogs, right? If you guys go on my GitHub, so my GitHub has been transferred to an organization. So if you want to see my personal GitHub, it's right here. It's called Pretty Boy Cosmo now. It's the same account. You guys are still following. I just changed my username so we can use the Cosmo MCS for our GitHub organization. What's up, sister? How you doing, man? Yeah, my voice is kind of coming back, which is great. My voice was really, really bad. Like I could barely talk without coughing. But yeah, so what's up? Yeah, so you guys see this right here? Whoa, I zoomed in way too far. All right, all right, you know what? Fine. be me. Cool. So you guys see how newest articles comes on here, right, on our GitHub, and it shows out like your latest article or the latest articles from the Cosmonium website. I want to do that in Discord, right? I want people to see the articles when we push them out. It's Crease TV. Hey, what's up? What's up? Adam, Uber, what's up? But yeah, so last time I did this, you guys might remember, I discovered the 0 day within, I made a video about it. Obviously, I reported it before just making a video. They mitigated it, whatever. Here's the video. Here, I'll copy the link. So if you guys want to check that video out later, you guys can. Cool. But for now, we're going to show the string and try to finally finish the original project we intended on starting. So that's the goal for today. Yeah, should be fun. I already have an idea of how to do this, right? So if you go on /blog and then you do blog feed.xml. Okay, not CML, XML. There you go. Let's try that again. There you go. So this is like the blog feed from the website, right? In XML format. So let's go ahead and we'll take this down. wget that. Cool. Okay. So we're going to need our Python script. I just made a basic Discord bot framework right here. It's very simple, right? But basically, we're just going to need to be able to read the XML data, right, and see, right, we'll open up the XML data, right? If you guys have seen the 0 day video, you'll pretty much know what I'm already trying to do, but if you haven't, right, this contains all the blog data on the website, or at least the most recent blog data. I think it's the first 15 articles or so. But you'll see there's like, category, link. Where does it start? Start with title, right? Or item, yeah. So each of these item arguments is an article. So there's 47. Oh, yeah, because there's 2 for each one. So hold up, let me do this and then this. There you go. So there's 20 articles that this got. Uber is a script kiddie? No, definitely. He actually steals all of my scripts. Oh, and I got a Arizona. If you guys are long-time viewers of the channel, you know it's just my favorite drink. Cool. So, he said, damn right. All right. Yeah, making sure OBS is good, right? All right, cool. It's been so long since I streamed. It's been like, what, 3 weeks, right? More? I'm very curious. That was a video, but I left a month ago. Yeah, so this was the last video I ever posted. Was a month ago. And then this was recorded like a month previous to this, but I uploaded it after. So, last time I streamed, because this was also a video, right? So this was the last time I streamed 2 months ago. 2 months? Dang. 2 months is crazy. Hey, what's up, Kels? No random question, but a great restaurant in DC or New York? I used to live by DC, but I couldn't tell you, actually. They have a lot of good, they have a lot of good restaurants there. So yeah, what I need to do is basically use Beautiful Soup. Beautiful Soup is a good parsing library, and we're going to basically pull the title, right? So you see this title argument right here, and then this is the title of an article, right? Life of System. So if we go on the website, go on like the blog page, and you'll see literally right there, Life of System, right? That's the article we just saw right here, Life of System right there. All right, let me zoom in on here a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. There you go. All right, so basically all we need to do is, nice to see you back. Hey, thank you, Jacoby. It's good to be back, finally have my voice back. All right, dope. So Beautiful Soup should just be able to read through this blog feed and then parse all of the data that we need to get from it. If not, there's the other XML tree library we can try using. But either one works. I think my 0 day is in here. What's up? Yeah. Right. So we use the XML tree, which works, you know. But I think Beautiful Soup is just a little bit cleaner, so we're going to try to use that. All right. Let's actually try this. I literally forgot like everything about Beautiful Soup. I know Engineer Man web scraping. He has a video on Beautiful Soup, so I want to see. Yeah, I think this is the video. All right. He's actually a really good content creator. If you guys haven't seen his content, it's really good. So I'm just skipping through. So he's using requests, and then from BS4 import Beautiful Soup, and then all right, cool. So let's try to. Picturelane spent 10 hours last night. Jesus, trying to obfuscate one line of code. Oh God! All right. Cool. What was I doing? Oh yeah, we're copying his code. Got you. That's what we're doing. All right. So let's import requests, and then from BS4 import Beautiful Soup. Does he have this on GitHub? That'd be really nice. From BS4 import Beautiful Soup. Beautiful Soup. I like it. All right. Let me check his description. See he has this on GitHub. Check out the code here. All right, awesome. YouTube 042. So he made a few scrape. I think this is his second one, right? Yeah. Cool. So, all right, Beautiful Soup. Data equals request.get this IP address. Scrape.html. So use HTML parser, data. And then find all of the table rows, and then each of those. Okay, this is way too complicated. I might go back. I'm not sure. Does he have a? So data.text, HTML parser leaderboard equals soup.find. Oh, since when did GitHub add this like highlighting thing? And have you tried Route 13? Try myself to sleep. I like that method of sleeping. Alright, I'm very confused right now because I should probably just watch the video. That's the thing, like, us, like, programmers and hackers do a lot. Like, if we're watching a video to, like, get information on a certain topic, we'll, like, not watch the video. We'll, like, skim through it. We'll look in the description for code. But we'll never like sit and watch the video. Oh, I thought that was interesting. So let me look at like some of the stuff he's doing, right? So he's looking at a bunch of table rows with table headers, table data, blah blah blah. So he's trying to pull information from it. I think this is his script 2 file, right? So if we look at I'm not sure if execution will work here. Let me see what the function is. Blah, blah, blah. Guilty. Wait, why am I watching this? It's because this is live as heck, bro. It's your favorite content creator. Alright, so I probably could get started with stuff like this, right? We can actually get the data. Because right under there is all of the Discord stuff we're doing, right? Cool. So data, request.data. So instead of this, we're just getting Cosmodium. Oh Lord, it's not spelled Cosmodium. Cosmodiumcs.com / what is this again? Blog, right? Blog, and then blog feed. .xml. All right, cool. So that should be the data that we're grabbing from cosmos.cs.com, and then we just need to parse through that data, right? Should be pretty simple. So soup equals beautiful soup data.text HTML parser. So hopefully HTML parsing should work on XML, right? It's like basically they're both markup languages. You know what I mean? It's XML. It's a markup language, right? I'm just gonna assume that's gonna work. If it doesn't work, then we'll figure something out. But hopefully it does. All right. So load data into BS4, soup equals beautiful soup, blah blah blah. All right. All we need to do now is find information. All right, dope. So yeah, in script 3, he does the find stuff. So find all. Oh, I see what he's doing. Okay. So get data simply by looking for each, where there are only rows marked as special. Yeah. Cool. So I forgot about this. It's like accounting for like namespaces and stuff. Let me open up the actual blog feed in a separate tab. Cool. So yeah, all we're getting is see the life of System. So all we need to do, right, is keep track of what the most recent article was, and then see if the most recent article is in line with the newest article, right? Because we can just keep track of each article as we cycle through XYZ, right? That makes sense. So I think what we'll do is we'll make a copy of here. Let me zoom in for you guys. Profiles, solid. There we go. That should be better for you guys. So we'll take blogfeed.xml, and then we'll call this new.xml. And then we'll make a copy of new.xml. We'll call this old.xml. So that way we can have a quote unquote old version that doesn't contain some sort of article that hasn't been released yet, right? Cool. So in our old.xml, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for one of these items. Yep. And then I'm just going to delete this item. So we're just going to go down until /item. Cool. So this is actually missing an article, right? This has the Mac spoofing not playing, but the new one, first item is the VPNs and misinformation. All right, cool. So this old one is missing one article, while this new one has the latest article. So we can use this to see if it's going to be able to actually detect new articles. I think one other thing we can do is touch latest.txt, and that can be like the latest article and have it saved into some sort of quote unquote database. So that way we can kind of keep account of stuff like that. I'm gonna just check VPN or OBS, make sure it's good. All right, cool. Dope. What are we doing now? So we have our old data, we have our new data when someone uploads an article, and then we don't need blogfeed.xml anymore. So you grab that information, right? I guess for testing purposes, we can't really grab that blog feed. We need to be able just to read the data straight up, no? All right, we'll figure that out later. That sounds like a problem for future media. All right, so we're loading data to base 64. All right, so what does he do from there? So he takes a data list and then supply data for looking for each table row. So values is td text, and then find all of the table data. So he's basically looking for each of these table rows and then getting all of the table data from these rows. Cool, that makes sense. All right, so what we can do is look through each item, right? And then I'm so confused on where I'm trying to go. All right, so we can look through each item within our XML and then grab each title. That makes sense, right? All right, let's try that. All right, if this doesn't work, we'll try XML tree, but I wanted to try beautiful soup because it's a little bit cleaner than XML tree. So, All right, let's copy him. Cool. Just copy and paste, I guess. All right, cool. So let's figure this out. So instead of for each table row, we're getting each item in tbody def find all. So instead of table rows, we're finding all the items, right? Now the title is just going to be equal to tr def find all title, right? Text.strip, and then we can just print our whoa, what the all right, and then we can just print the title, I think. Yeah, so let's delete this, and then parse through the data. All right, cool. So hopefully that should get the titles. So here, I'll literally just like comment these out. So I'll just comment like literally like all of the Discord code out right now because we don't need it yet. All right, cool. I should also functionalize this, but Spiritual Goose, what's up, dude? All right, so can we just do Python 3 main.py? No module name request. Oh, we need to pip. So I'm using a virtual environment right now so we can keep track of the libraries we're using. Yeah, I'm trying to be a better programmer. I gotta do some family stuff for a bit, stay cool, be back later as time allows. For sure. Spiritual Goose legal name, of course. Alright, so let's try this again. Alright, pip install BS4. Alright, third time's the charm. Oh my god. So what's tbody? Oh, tbody's table body, isn't it? Yeah, tbody equals leaderboard defined. Okay, so let's keep track of these variables because I kind of just read over them. Okay. Alright. So leaderboard is soup.find table with an ID of the leaderboard table, right? Our old or new.xml item, they don't have, we're just getting items, right? So this is supposed to help us a little bit. So we'll do, let's comment these out. Because with tbody.find all, we could just do, well, what are we doing? Finding the 0 day? No, we already found the 0 day. I'm just trying to, last time I did this, I found the 0 day. But this time, I want to actually get the bot working. Finding a 1 day. Yeah, that's what we're doing. The XML 0 day, yeah. So basically, the way I found that 0 day was me trying to make this bot. But I never made the bot because I found the 0 day. I got distracted, so I'm like, oh yeah, let me actually finish the project. All right, so they're finding each table. Let me look at the YouTube. So, so he found this table element, and then this table element has a bunch of other elements, right? So all we need is the item element. So we only need what? Item. So instead of tr, this will be item.find all. So instead of tbody, we're just trying to find the soup. Let's try this. We're kind of just shooting in the dark right now, boys. Oh, that worked. All right. What's this warn? If it's XML, you should know that using XML parser will be more reliable to parse a document as XML. into the beautiful. So features equals XML into the beautiful soup constructor. Got you. All right, so data text, XML parser, features equals XML. So that should, got multiple values for the argument features. What argument is the feature? All right. How do you see the references? I literally forgot how you do this. There's a way in VS Code you can see what the function's arguments are supposed to be. All right, never mind. We'll figure this out. We're shooting in the dark. All right, what we'll do is to save ourselves from insanity, we'll just duplicate that line. All right, so instead of HTML parser, I think it's just going to be features equals XML. I think that's what we're supposed to do, but I'm not sure. Okay. Why did you tell me to put a features argument? To parse this document as XML, make sure you have the LXML package installed and pass the keyword argument features into the constructor. Into the beautiful soup constructor, warn is at warn. Okay, but it's still got all the titles though. So why is it on my... When you get in a flipper? That's a great question, actually. Like, I know it's an awesome tool. It just never crossed my mind to buy one. How much are they? But that got all the... Fine. You know what? Maybe we should just Google it, you know? Like, how to parse XML. 180 for you? All right, that's not bad. Feels like I'm the Watch Dogs main character. Yeah, that's how I feel. That's how I felt when I made the one supervision. XML.eTree.element tree as ET. So yeah, that's literally the XML tree stuff. But I literally just said I don't want to use XML tree. I want to use beautiful soup. Here, let's parse XML in Python. Be a beautiful soup. All right, let me see this. What happened to dark mode? Where is it? No, stop blinding my viewers. I want so bad. I'm just working 2 jobs to get at the moment. I get paid at the end of the month. I did not get you. So import beautiful soup for some stuff. So file equals this, handler for message and soup.find all message, match attributes, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so oh, they didn't even add anything, dude. Parsing tables, XML, beautiful. So let me see this. See, I'm confused now because we're getting all the information we need. It's just giving me the this warning. You're parsing an XML document using an HTML parser. Shut up. If this really is an HTML document, maybe it's XHTML, you can ignore this filter warning. If it is XML, you should know that using an XML parser will be more reliable to parse this document as XML. Make sure you have the LXML package installed. Okay, maybe, see, because I'm lazy, right? And if it's working, it works. Maybe I should do it the right way. All right, pip install LXML. All right, so let's do that. Oops. So pip install LXML. So BS4 as BS requests, blah blah blah, parsing. So you do BS that beautiful soup. Oh, so you literally just do LXML instead of HTML parser. Okay, that makes more sense. LXML. All right, so let's try running it now. If I run NumPy. Oh, there you go. Wait, why are you still being mean? What do you mean I'm using HTML parser? I literally just changed it to XML. Get off of my case, Python. I'm doing what I'm supposed to. So URL link that text, LXML. So file.find table, class NumPy table. Rows, blah, blah, blah. What the fuck is that guy doing? Alright, so he's doing all this stuff. See, how come they get to do it, but I can't? Alright, how do we ignore this warning? Alright, so this is the warning. Parse as HTML warning. Alright, we'll do this. Do a nice little try. Well, no, because if there's a try and accept, it's going to not finish and not print out. Is this something you should know? Make sure you have the LXML package installed and pass the keyword argument features equals XML into the beautiful soup constructor. Isn't that what we did? I swear to gosh, we did that. I swear to gosh. I could have sworn we did that. Where did we do that? Data.text, LXML. I swear we put that in there. I swear we did. Alright, let's try this. Oh, that's not right. Yeah, I know it's not right. This is the constructor, right? This is where we initialize. Am I tripping? Alright, I don't know. I don't even care anymore. Does the code work? Yes? Alright, that's all I need. Forget the warning. We'll figure out the warning later. I mean, we could just use XML tree, but I don't know. XML trees feels like a little bit like heavier. You know what I mean? I don't know if you guys have used it before, but it's like a little heavier. Like if I go on Wix.py, right? So you get the data, and then your root is like the root of the tree, and then you have to. So you do like article.find title and blah blah blah. So okay, it's not that bad. Maybe we should just use XML tree. You know what I mean? A future Cosmo problem? Definitely, 100%. We're using URL lib in this. Oh no, you just didn't use a request. So we're doing for article and the root of the article. Find all of the items, right? And then get the text. Okay, you know what? Maybe maybe that's what we should do. Maybe if that's what that's what we did in the 0 day. You know what I mean? Huh. I just wanted to try Beautiful Soup. But I think Beautiful Soup is more of an HTML thing than it is an XML thing, even though they're both markup languages, which doesn't make much sense. But it still works. Alright, maybe we should do the right thing. Alright, you guys can literally just pretend like the past, how long have we been streaming? What's the uptime? Analytics. How do you know the uptime? Oh, bruh. 30 minutes? Alright, bet. So let's just pretend like the past 30 minutes never happened. Alright, so guys, welcome back. We're going to use a completely different library. I guess, yeah, it seems like HTML parsing. Unless you can't, but I did LXML, didn't I? And that was just not working. I feel like someone who actually does like web scraping and stuff is going to watch me do this and like cringe very hardly because they're like, why didn't you just do XYZ? So from Beautiful Suit contents XML. Wait a second. Don't tell me. So it's XML instead of LXML? Is that like the one thing we were doing? Wow. I hate programming, dude. I hate it. Oh my gosh. Who chose this as a freaking career? My lord. Alright, well that was mad embarrassing. I'm just pretending like that did not happen. Alright, so we got all the titles from the articles, right? So you can see VPNs and misinformation, Mac spoofing, life assistant, and we go on to Google, as you can see VPNs and misinformation, Mac spoofing, life assistant, right? So it's all the articles, not all of them, but the I think the most recent 20. Cool. So all we need to do now is grab what article came out the most recently, and then save it to the text file, and then say, hey, is this article the same as the other article? And if so, it doesn't do anything. And if the articles are different, then they'll send an announcement to Discord saying, yo, we got an article that we want you to, check out. Cool. Good progress so far, I guess. Cool. So let's keep going. All we need to do now is, God, I freaking hate programming. All right. We don't need any of this stuff. We got all the titles. How do we just get the first title? All right. How about this? We'll do titles is equal to this, and then title equals this. Titles dot append. Oh, it was just there. Dot append. Nope. Append title. All right. Cool. We'll keep the print title out. I like that. What's wrong? Indentation error. This Python. Oh my God. What indentation error? Uninspected indent. Bro, it's a for loop. Python, what are you talking about? Am I missing something, guys? Or did I do something wrong? Titles is equal to this thing. Titles that append the title that we just get. We can print the title. Bro, I freaking hate Python. All right. Stop embarrassing me, Python. You're making me look bad. All right, there you go. That fixed it. All right. Yeah, that's why people hate indentation languages. Like, that's why people like the freaking curly braces. I don't like them personally, but cool. So this will be most recent post titles. All right. So all we need to do now is that we have a list of the post titles. We'll say if, so we're just checking if new post exists. Cool. So if titles at index 0 is equal to recent article, or is equal to latest. It's equal to latest. All right. So latest is just going to be latest is equal to open latest dot. Okay. I'm glad you did all that, tab 9, but latest post XML is not a file. So latest.txt. Thank you. All right. And this will be our latest article. Cool. Cool. So from here, we need to have like an article just in there. So I'll say the latest article was Life of Sister, right? Or sorry, the latest was this one, right? And then we'll have the it read this one and say, hey, there's a new article out, so we can do something, right? So in that latest.txt, I'm gonna just put this. We can close that. All right, dope. So I'll keep that open because we might have to play around with it. So yeah, open latest, and then so if titles at index 0, so titles at index 0 would be VPN to misinformation, and then latest would be Mac spoofing. Yeah, so so if this is true, we'll just do print just for testing new article out. All right. Else, we'll just print no. Bro, let me do actual programming. Let me be a real programmer right now. We don't print strings. We print Boolean values to see if something works or not. All right, so let's run this code. So it says false because is it supposed to say false? It is, right? Because they're not the same. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so if the newest article is the same as the latest article, it's true because there's no new articles, right? So no new posts, and then we'll just say new posts. Cool. So now, just to confirm, right? It's going to read the website and say false because those aren't the same. So what we'll do now is we'll take the actual newest article and replace that value. All right. So now when we run this, it should say true, right? True. Yeah, perfect, because there are no new posts. All right. So we have the logic built in. So all we need to do now is make that logic do something. What are we supposed to make it do? All right. So BS4, blah, blah, blah. Right. So now that we have it, get that information. I guess we could just have it return true or false, right? Because we can return, because I'm going to make this a function in a second. So basically the return value would be true at index 1 and then the link in index 2. So I want to have the link equal. So I think we should do a dictionary, right? And then have the dictionary have a key of the article name and then a value of the link of the article, right? Because in the XML data, the link is somewhere in here, right? Link, yeah. So link equals right here, perfect. So if we do link equals item dot find all link, text a strip. So instead of doing this, we'll have this be equal to a dictionary, and then instead of appending, we'll say titles. Bro, I always forget how to do this. How do you add something to a dictionary? I always forget this. Alphaware, what's up? I'm pretty sure that's infinity, right? Alphaware. And then Soul Sender. What's up, bro? All right, let's see. I always forget how to do this in Python. Always. Dictionaries. How do you add stuff? Do you just set it equal? Oh, so you do the dictionary with the index is equal to, so the key equals the value. Got you. Where am I at? I'm in this military schooling right now. Yeah, it's super fun. I love it. I swear. That's why I applied for the freaking TCM job. I love it so much. I actually did. Yeah, I did apply for the TCM content creators job. So I'm hoping that it works out. So link equals item that find out link this, that, and the third, and then so we just need to do titles with our link. No, that's not right. Titles with the title of the article is equal to the link. Yes. All right. So now you can print titles at the end. So actually, you know what? Instead of printing title out here, we'll just print the titles. So actually, I don't want to use titles anymore because that's not only the title. So we'll do posts. Ooh, if I could type correctly, posts, and then we'll do posts. All right, so that should get the most recent posts from the website, right? Print titles, right? Yeah, I didn't change that variable, I guess. All right, posts. All right, that's the ironic thing with variables, right? The whole point of a variable is so that way you can have one name that sets all your values, but if you want to change the name of the variable, you still have to go through and change all the names. Unless if you set your variable to another variable. Alright, I'm gonna shut up. So VPNs and misinformation, the URL. The name and then the URL, the name. Alright, perfect, cool. So that worked. Alright. So we can print the post. So if post at index 0, wait. Oh no. I'm dumb. Dictionaries are indexed, right? Yeah, they're yeah, dictionaries aren't indexed, right? I'm pretty sure they aren't. Dictionaries, but are they? They're not ordered. Yeah, they have no order. Dang. All right. So let's just like undo like all the work we just did. Oh my gosh. Again, I love programming, guys. I don't know what to tell you. All right, titles. So titles is going to be equal to. We're going to have titles, and then we're going to have links. Cool. So these both need to be lists. All right. Let's post information. Cool. All right. So now what we'll do is instead of this, we're going to have to do titles that append, and then what we're going to append is the title, right? And then we can do links dot append link. Cool. So now we can save that data. So here we can do like titles links, just so we can confirm that we have those datas. we can confirm that we have that data. Right? And if post at index 0. So if titles at index 0, so if this is the most recent article we got from the blog feed, and this is our most saved one, then we can say no new posts. Otherwise, there's been new posts. All right, so let's try this out and make sure that logic works. True. All right, so there are no new posts, and if we do Control-Z on here, this will say false because there is a new post, right? So if there is a new post, I want it to return, right? This isn't a function yet, but all I just want to do is return true. All right, so return false. So if there's no new post, we're just going to return false because we don't need to do anything, right? All right, cool. Otherwise, we need to return true. Well, okay, no, because we can do an if false, right? I'm very confused. My own code is confusing me right now. All right, let's cut out that line and let's move that up here. All right, so I haven't made this a function yet, but let's just return like the title's at index 0, and then the links at index 0. I think that's all we need. Cool. So we can just take this and we'll just do def get latest, and we don't need any information there. So now we can just go down the line and tap it over, and boom, we don't need these either now. All right, so there you go. That's how we get the latest information. So now what we need to do, when it's 17 going straight to the army. Oh yeah, I'm making up my mind right here, low key. Featuring my tour website. Oh, that's cool as heck. If you're comfortable sending that my way when you finish, let me know. I'd love to check it out. So return false, and then otherwise we have new posts, right? So if we have new posts, we'll return the title and the link of the post. With that information, we can just make the announcement on Discord. Right? Cool. So now we can uncomment this stuff because now we actually need it. So all we're doing now is when on ready, we can just do a, actually, I mean, we can print online. There's no harm in doing that. But past that, what we need to do is a while true, right? Because we're always going to be looking for those new articles. And yeah, so while true, we just do get latest. So latest article equals get latest. So if latest article, so that means if it was true, do you have your own room? Yeah, so my roommate got kicked out. I won't say why, but he got kicked out, so I have a room to myself now. All right, so if the latest article is true, that means we got data. Yeah, he got, yeah. If I catch you guys on Discord, I'll share why. Cause the smell, yeah, for sure. Oh, the school. So if the latest article is true, right, that means we got a new article. All we need to do is we'll create our message. So message is equal to, I'll do a doc string. Oh man, personal problem. Y'all are funny. Oh god. All right, so all we need to do is what? So this is going to be red circle, right? That's like what I typically do. Oh wait, no, that's for that's for live streaming. What's the? Do we have one? All right, we should make a message for this then. Let's go on Discord. I'll go on my private server. I made a little test channel for it. So what's a good emoji we can use? Like the book emoji, right? For blogs. Book. What's a good one? Just like the open book. Kind of like the green or the blue. Because the blue is kind of like the Cosmodium. You're gonna go. See you soon. Alright, see you, man. Catch you for sure. Something that looks like a blob. Bro, your voice is so deep. Yeah, I know. I used to do ASMR. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Loki, I could enter that industry if I wanted to. Alright, I'm gonna go with the blue one simply because it's the color of Cosmodium, right? So what's the name of this emoji again? It's just blue book. Cool. So blue book, and then we want to do in bold, we'll just say new article. Oh, we can get the author too. Right? New article by... Yeah, we'll do that real quick. Because I feel like that's fair. To give y'all, the people on the blog categories. Alright, so how do we get the article information? I mean, the article information. How do we get the author information? If it's too hard, I'm not going to do it. Alright, so Soul Sunder. So it's just DC :creator. Oh, there's a namespace. No, namespaces are my worst enemy, dude. Alright, here we'll try to get this working, and then we'll get the author information. Alright, so what we'll do is, where am I? Alright, so new article, and then this just needs to be an F string, right? Or an F doc string. Because then we can just do title, and then link. Alright, we'll do here post title is equal to latest article, not find all, at index 0, and then post link is equal to latest article at index 1. Cool. So because we need to confirm cool. We'll do this like right up there. Alright, there you go. And then we'll shift tab this one back. Cool. He is turning into Frank Woods from COD. Alright, I think that's right? We have, is this a double space? Yeah. Cool. So we're getting the blue book, right? And then in bold, it'll say new article. Oh no, new article. And then we'll have the name of the article. I have the name of the article in bold as well. I feel like that'll be very pizzazz. And then pizzazz. Did I just say pizzazz? Is that a new word? Added to the Cosmodium CS dictionary. Pizzazz. I like that. All right, so that should be the message, right? Oh, it's going to account for those tabs, isn't it? Here, I'll see what it looks like when it sends into Discord. So, all right, so message equals this. So all we need to do now is send the message. How do you send that? I forgot to do this. How do you send messages in Discord? This is one of my Discord malwares, so just ignore me. Await message channel. If user message, await channel that message that channel that send. Here, I'll just Google this. I mean, we could just use a webhook, right? I don't know, what are we thinking? Webhook or actual Discord bot? Because webhook is just easy, you just curl it, right? But the actual Discord bot will be all contained and stuff. I mean, if we're just using this for updating the announcements channel, I don't know if we need a full-fledged you know what, we'll try it. Alright, so let's figure out how to do this, guys. All we need to do is what? Send message Python Discord bot. I don't know, figure it out. Did they shave my hair? Yeah, they did. Like 2 months ago, it grew back. Kind of. It's like, damn, no headphones. Hold up, we're gonna do the hair reveal. Like, it's still there now. It grew back for the most part. I need to brush my hair. Jesus. But yeah, I got this cool ass hat though. Look at it. This is like New Mexico. Pretty cool. Cool. Let's get back to it. Ooh, OBS. We need a room tour? Oh my lord. You know what? I could probably make it work. It would probably freeze. Like, the camera's gonna crash because my camera's like really shitty. Here, I'll give the best room tour I can possibly give. All right. So, Jesus fucking Christ. All right. My camera does not go out that far, so so terrible. All right, that's my roommate's old bed, but he's gone. And then, can I turn my camera around? You guys can see my desk. Ooh, Inception! Alright, this is my desk. It's alright. I got some stuff. My monitor's broken, so I need to get a new one. And then my bed, can I reach? I can't reach my camera's crashing already. Yeah. My closet's back there. This is about the best I can give. If you guys catch me on Discord, I'll give you guys a better one, I promise. Damn. Alright, that was the best I could do. Alright, but yeah, I'll be on Discord later. I'll pull my phone out and show you guys a better one. Cool. In the meantime, woo, it's been way too long since I streamed. 2 months, dude. Fire setup is like the most sketchy setup I have ever had. I'm just making sure my camera didn't crash. I have a really shitty camera. It was like $16. As in 1/6. Here, let's do this. We'll just print the message. I just want to see what the message looks like. This is in Python 2. These are parentheses. Alright. Okay, now why is it being weird? Invalid syntax. It's a print statement. Alright, yeah. I was about to say, Python, what's going on here? Alright. It's doing this thing that's online. Title is not defined. Post title. Post link. Let's see if this works. All right, there you go. So it's saying that the newest article is what it is. Cool. If we change this to this, will it update? I don't think it's updating anymore, is it? I don't know. If you run it, I don't think it's going to do anything. Yeah, so it hasn't detected any new articles, so it's not going to do it. But if we do, whoops, this, there you go. It detected that there was a new article. Cool. All right, so that works. All we need to do, well, I guess we can keep it like that actually. Yeah, so if it detects a new article, we need to have it write the new article. How many years do I have to serve? It depends. So basically, my situation right now is so I want to go to one of the service academies, like the Naval Academy, but my I'm missing some requirements basically. So the academy sent me here for 9 months to do a bunch of schooling, and then they say if you pass the schooling, you can come to the academy. That's basically what they said. So I was like, all right, dope. But once I go to the academy, I think once I graduate, I have to do 5 years. But that's only if I pass this schooling, and this I freaking don't like it here. So I'm just hoping to get that job, that TCM job. That'll be awesome. All right, so what the heck are we? This is the wrong bot. Let me close this before I show the token for that bot or something. All right, so that works, right? It gets the blog articles and stuff, right? What the heck is going on here? Oh yeah, so it does have this information tabbed over. So let's go ahead and detabify that. There you go. Cool. Do you get nice food? It's not bad. It has its moments. It's decent. It's decent. Like I wouldn't say it's good, but it's not bad. If you catch my drift. Some are better than others. Cool. So we can print the message. So all right, all of that works. The only thing we need to do now is have it send it to Discord, one, and have it update the latest article. So if you post, we'll take with open. Here, let's do this. Latest underscore db is equal to latest.txt. In case we ever want to change the file name, we can. So we'll do open latest db. I'll do the same exact thing. Oh my gosh. Why are you breaking my code? Tab 9. Alright. So update latest known post. Alright. So that should be it for that stuff. And then what are we doing? Right, we're writing it to the yeah, so with open latest db in write mode, as I just do F, I guess. Probably yours is better. Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. I would not doubt it at all. So with open latest db in write mode as F, all we need to do is val.write the title. Or titles at index 0, right? I think. Hold up. Let me make sure that's right. Because that index 0. Yeah, so if there is a new post, we'll update it. Okay. So that makes sense. So all we need to do now is send it to Discord. How do we send the message to Discord? Python Discord bat. Simply send a message to a channel. So async def, send message, await channel that send message. The US, UK, when we complete the training. And we get our own little dorm. Oh, really? That's nice. I think it depends here in the US for like if you're an officer enlisted or other stuff like that. I'm not sure. Await channel. Oh, so we just need to put this into its own function and call the function. Right? I think that's right. So we just do while true, latest article equals get the latest article. If the latest article exists, then we create the formatted message, and then we would do the message send. So we would just do async or is it await? Yeah, it's await message. I'm very confused. Await send a message. Oh. Gotcha. I see what we're doing. All right. So all we need to do is, create that function. Gotcha. That makes sense. So that is that first function. Here, this is our async function for sending the channel message. So we'll just do send message to channel, and then we create our send channel message. Wait, hold up. I got something wrong. Oh, no, we didn't, because we needed to update the text file, right? How long left on the military school? So I'm 2 months in right now. So I think like 7 more months. I'm in here until like June of 2023. Yeah. But I'll be home for like Thanksgiving, I think. But yeah, and I only go to the academy if I pass all this stuff, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, not bad, yeah. But after this, that's when I would go to the Naval Academy. So that's 4 years of school, and then the 5 years of service. So all we do is await that channel send hello world. All right, so we can just in here why? What's wrong with oh, there's a space, got you. So channel and then the hello world. So the channel, is that the channel number? Discord that channel. Is that the channel number or is that the channel name? Anyone know? All right, we'll try the CCS. All right. Discord has no attribute channel. I hate Discord bots. So channel colon Discord channel. Do we just do like this? Oh no. Come on, Stack Overflow. You're supposed to have code that works. So it's just Discord.client. Oh, but we have to have the intents in there now, right? Yeah. That's what I did though. I think. Do we need to create this before? I think that's right. Let me try that. Nope. So when I joined the UK Army at 17, I got to be there until I turned 22, and then I can serve for more years. Gotcha. That makes sense. Do you know what branch you're trying to go into? Like, I don't know what the UK's military is like, but they have like an army, a navy, the Royal Marines, I think, something like that. All right, this code is pissing me off royally. Called when Charlie's just done. So channel equals channel, get channel. Await channel that send. Oh, so it's the channel ID? Is that what it is? Let's do CCS, copy ID. Maybe this is what I'm supposed to put in there. Where is my code? So instead of CCS, we just put this number. It has to be an integer, right? Let's try that. Discord has no attribute channel. Okay, fine. Line 48. What's going on in line 48? So let's see channel, Discord channel. All right, so that send message thing is just some dog water. Probably infantry, really. You sure you don't want to go into any like the IT related fields? Infantry is really good, but it might be kind of hard to get a job post service, depending on what skill sets you gain. I have way too many tabs open that I don't need. All right. The channel. Wait, 300 seconds is 5 minutes? Is that right? That doesn't feel right. It probably is right. It just doesn't feel right. Await channel that send. All right, let's try this. So async def send message sends the message to, yeah, okay, that's fine, whatever. So channel equals client, the get channel ID. It's channel send message. All right, let's try this send message one. Oh, was that my problem this whole time, bro? Are you serious? I had the wrong freaking name. Okay, still didn't work. All right, let's try send message. Virtual Discord has no attribute channel. All right, fine. Just so what I do right now is what's my spare time. So I'm not going to do IT. Gotcha. Cool. I respect it. Yeah, if I make it to the Naval Academy, I'm gonna go for cybersecurity operations or something like that. Cool. So this is being mean. I don't I don't like this. It's very mean. I might just try a webhook. feel like webhooks. But I don't know, I feel like having the bot would be cool. You know what I mean? Oh shoot! Let me try copying this channel link again. Copy ID. Who pinged? Who pinged? Do you think we can make a room for? So let's just try this. Send message. All right. So oh, do we need to do the oh wait. Is it still tripping? Line 48? Alright, fine. I'll delete the code, alright? String has no HTTP read, line 23. Gotta love debugging. That read. I already know that was tab 9 tripping. Alright, so it sent the message. Cool. So all we need to do is pass in our message argument, right? So we'll just do message. And then in here, we'll just get rid of these quotes, message, and then we can send message to announcements. All right. So instead of, I mean, this is just for my channel, but you know, I could put this on GitHub if you guys wanted to use it, like to post blog feed from your website or something. Yeah, all right, I might do that. That's fine. All right, I'll just do Wix robot. Cool. All right, so that just means in here we just need to get some change me. So we'll have the website variable, and that'll be equal to this, and then we'll have your token for your Discord equal to that, and then you'll need what's the last thing you'll need? Announcements channel ID, right? Announcement channel ID, and that'll be equal to that number. So I'll just use this right here. Cool. I think with my token, what did I do with my token? Yeah, I did this, so I don't leak it onto screen. All right, and then we'll just paste. Cool, so those are all the variables you guys want to change. All right, get latest blog posts. All right, is there anything else we need in here? I think I fixed my extensions too, which is good. So I think I can get them stuff real quick while we're doing this, because I've been meaning to install. Yes, cool. So yeah, I started learning them. It's pretty interesting. Cool. All right, I think we're pretty close to finishing. So all we need to do is to send a send message. We'll do send message with our message. All right. So I think that's it. I think if we run the bot, I don't know if it's going to send a message in here or not. Perhaps you meant each HTTP invalid URL. What? How? This is. Oh, I forgot to update the value. So we need our website, and then we need to have our announcements channel ID in the other one. Yep. Announcements channel ID. All right, cool. So let's see if this works. Actually, it might not upload anything, but it shouldn't error. Yeah, so all we need to do is update that blog value. So we'll say the latest argument is not VPN's information, it is MAC spoofing. And in a second, it should just post it. Oh yeah, perfect, new article. VPNs and misinformation. There you go. That's it. All right. So I guess we just clean it up and put it on GitHub, I guess. Right? And then I'm going to get another laptop to put Linux on as a ThinkPad. Yeah, is a ThinkPad a good laptop? I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about ThinkPads. So I will advocate in their name, saying from what I have heard personally, it sounds like a really good laptop. This is not the end of the video. I'm just going to use the restroom real quick, so I'll be right back. I think I have. Hey hackers, Blue Cosmo from CCS here, and that was the wrong button. Stream is not over. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Mad embarrassing. Shut up, Goose. All right. So yeah, we finished the bot. All we need to do is clean it up and then connect it to our actual Discord server. And then you like the belt? Yeah, thank you. It's I was wearing my Class C's earlier. Class C's is like these. Yeah, the belt. It's like that. I'll show you the Class C's. This is like with the dang, that lighting is terrible. All right, I don't know how well you guys can see that. There you go. But yeah. Cool. Let's keep going. How long have we been doing this? Hour and a half. Jeez. All right, cool. All right, so let's finish this up, boys. Let's finish this up. So the whole bot works. We actually don't need like any of these XML files anymore. Move the trash. Actually, let me just use my terminal. It's always quicker. All right, all.xml. All right, and there you go. Get rid of all those. We can pip freeze. Perfect. So we'll just pip freeze and then save it to the requirements.txt so people can use it. The UK form is just mid. Bro, have you seen the U.S. Marine Corps videos? I mean, U.S. Marine Corps uniforms. I need to show my screen. My bad, y'all. But yeah, the U.S. Marine Corps videos, or the U.S. Marine Corps uniforms are really nice. Fail to save latest to TXT. The content of the file is newer. Right. Alright. Alright, so this should be pretty straight up set up now. Cool. Let's I think we can connect it to my server in a second. Let's change that message to an @everyone. New article, everyone. Post title, post link. All right, and then send article to channel. Space Force already at their branch. Oh Lord. Have you seen their uniforms? They look like some Star Trek stuff. I bet. Cool. Oh, slow it down. Yeah, what do I need to do? I guess we finished. I need to put it on my here, let's test it out real quick. Cool. So it's not going to make another announcement, right? Because okay, it did make another announcement. Probably join the Space Force. I ain't gonna lie. Of course he would. I don't even know what it consists of anymore, if I'm being 100% honest. Oh, I think it's just like satellite and cyber stuff, actually. I'm pretty sure. Alright, so new article. Because I see your DM, but I'm not going to open it because I'm on stream. I don't know if it's important or not. Cosmos.com post information. Alright, yeah. Dope. So, oh, you know what we could do? Oh, you chilling at the Space Force uniforms? Alright, cool. Alright. There's nothing above it or anything like that. Right. Let's just see. Space Force uniforms. Oh, shut up, Goose. That's funny as heck. Put up a Buzz Lightyear. Alright. I mean, the drip is respectable, no cap. Alright, I think we're pretty much done here. I'm just trying to figure out what am I supposed to do? Like, we just put this on the Cosmodium server, and it will work. Yeah. Oh, the last thing I wanted to do is make this a service, so that way we can we don't have to worry about it later. So this is what we'll do. So we'll do actually, you guys might like this if you guys there's an article somewhere on the internet. This is literally one of my favorite articles ever. Alright, so let's do our Linux executable service. I don't even remember. Linux executable as a service. Yeah, that's right here. Yeah, so here's the original article. I will post this in the chat for you guys because this is a really cool article. Well, bam. But yeah, basically it teaches you how to turn your Linux executables into into services, so that way you can have it run persistently. So that's how I have my Cloud C2 running. It's also pretty good for Linux malware and stuff. But yeah, so let's actually so we're going to do our service file, right? I'll just do touch. We'll call this ccs blog.service, right? We see out here move ccs bot to ccs blog. Cool. C to ccs blog. I know all this is going to be like, hey, I don't exist. Let's close this. Close that. And close this. Close chameleon. CCS blog. Py. Cool. So CCS blog.service, right? This is our service file. We just create our service file, so we can just copy and paste into here. Our queen just died. Yeah, I heard about that. It's very unfortunate to hear. Description, CCS blog, but I think that's all I need to do. Does that have to be in quotes? I can't remember. I should pull up the actual article. Copy and paste for sure. You guys know I'm a skid, right? I don't actually make any of my malware. It's all fake. This is actually all just a hoax. All right, path command, pwd, right? Exec start, and then yeah, so it's just the working path. All right, so we can do, I think this has to include the actual executable too. I think. Hold on, let me pull up another service file because I can't remember this. Do I have any service files on my computer? What do you mean by that? Copy and paste are invisible. I literally forgot. I think when I put path command, I mean the actual command you're supposed to run. Here, can we go to the moon? All right, C2 cloud C2 cat service or cloud C2.service. So exec start is the actual executable starting. Yeah, okay. So we just need to do Python 3 and then all of this main.py, right? And then this is just the working directory. All right. Cool. So add the service. All right, so let's move this stuff into my all right, so what I'm going to need to do is when I upload this to my VPS. All right, so yeah, let's do this. So cd out of here, profiles, solid. Cool. So if we list, right, we have some basic stuff. So let's make directory ccs blog, right? Cool. We're going to need to upload this. So scp.r, we're going to take our main.py, and upload it to moon at the home directory / ccs blog. I forgot the password for this VPS. Fuck. Yep, I forgot the password. Hold on. Hold on. Pass WD. New password. Alright, let's try that again. Bro, I swear to God that's the right password. This doesn't work, bro. Alright, we're trying something else. Alright, this is we're going big brain this time. Alright. So I got some basic stuff over there. Let's go to root. CCS blog. Yeah, right here. "4K Ultra HD" for sure. So this is going to be service or malware. Where's our projects? And then what are we doing here again? I literally forgot. Hold up. Yeah, CCS blog. Cool. So we're taking these three files, or I guess, yeah, just these three files, really. Tumblr's first live. Hey, welcome. Cool. So if we see to CCS blog and list, our service file is right there. Let's go in Vim because we'll need to edit that service file. Real quick, I'll do a. Wait, how do you run code in Vim again? It's like exclamation point or something. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. All right, so if I do pwd, go root access. Cool. All right, dope. So all we need to do is change the pass here. So I literally forgot how to do this, but we're going to try it. So it's $%s / there's a backslash. I literally forgot how to do this. Fine, we're just doing it the normal way. All right, all the Vim users hate me now, so sorry guys. Yeah, I literally forgot the syntax. My bad. All right, there you go. So CCS blog and then the main.py within CCS. Oh, don't enter Vim. You can't get out. I'm stuck in here for the rest of the stream, eh? All right, so that looks better. Yeah, that looks right. That looks right. So we'll escape, save it, quit. Dope. So that's good. The last thing we need to do is we need to have our the Discord token in there. You know what I'll do? Oh, I just won't show you guys what I'm doing. All right, so now you guys can only see my face. I'm sorry, I just don't want to leak the freaking Discord token. So hopefully I don't leak it by accident or anything like that. So let's go to projects, dump my token. I'll be very careful to not hit the wrong button and leak my token. All right, cool. So that worked good. That worked good. Real quick, I'll be as quick as possible, boys. I promise. Vim main.py. Cool. So all we want to do is replace this line of code with the token. You know, there was a time where I low-key didn't care about leaking stuff like that. I think it should be good now, so I can show you guys this. Yeah, you guys can see. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, there was a time I didn't care about that stuff. And I would just casually develop with the webhook, just like out there in the code, like you guys just out in the public. The problem with that was, oh, wait a second, hold on, let me check something. All right, cool. We're good. We're good. We're good. All right. So, I think that's it, right? There's the service on there now. So if we go into our clear, cool. So let's go ahead and finish the job. So we want to copy it to etc. systemd system. All right, so copy our CCS blog.service to here. All right, and then we want to reload our system.ctl. So cool. And then now we want to enable our name that service. Cool. So sudo network check has been quiet. Now you're back. It's a lesson learned the hard way. Oh yeah, from me leaking my webhook, and people literally just spammed the webhook. It was so annoying. It was funny, but it was like half annoying because I couldn't get the work done. So I stopped and I started caring about stuff like that. All right, so sudo systemctl enable the name. So systemctl enable, and then ccs blog.service. So now we can just do the same thing, but I think sudo start, right? Sudo start, or sudo systemctl start. Gotcha. So sudo systemctl, then we just do start the ccs blog.service. All right, and then if we do status, we can check to see if it's running. All right, it looks like it's running. Did it post to? Wait, that's right. I didn't change the ID in there, so I don't. Wait, how? I don't know if that worked. I don't know if that worked. Did that work? The logo for your test server. It's yeah, it's the Death Star. I don't know if that worked. Is it running? Loaded, active, activating. SX start Python 3 root CCS blog main.py. I guess it is working. All right, so let's do this. Let's test it out. We do quit. All right, so we'll go vim into latest.txt. So instead of VPNs and misinformation, we can parse in the other. What's the other one? Oh, okay, cool. Max spoofing and outplaying the system admin. That's the latest one. Right? So we'll copy that. So ODD /V. All right, and then we can save. So now, if we go over here, I don't know if that's working. Maybe we can try running it. Python 3 main.py. Oh, bruh. Pip install at our requirements. Did we not get the requirements.txt up in here? Bruh. Alright, this is what we'll do. Requirements.txt, Control A, copy. This is the entire point of it. Vim requirements.txt. We'll paste it. Escape, save. Alright, so pip install attack R requirements.txt. Sudo apt. Do we even have Python 3 on here? We do. Alright, so sudo apt install Python 3 attack pip. Yes. Okay. That's fine. I can fix that. Alright. Bruh, new kernel available. What services should be restarted? I think my Cloud C2 service is in here. No? No? Okay. Bro, I just asked to install. Okay. Jesus Christ. All right. So, let's try this again. Can we just pip install this stuff, please? All right. We're pip installing it. Cool. We pip installed. All right. That's awesome. Now, all we need to do now is we do Python 3, and then we do main.py. All right, it's running. There you go. A new article at everyone VPNs and misinformation. There you go. It's awesome. So the last thing we need to do is all right, so that works. Dope. So can we restart the service? So sudo. I don't need to do sudo. I'm root. So systemctl stop ccs log.service. All right, and now we can do start. Okay, so why is that not working? Oh, I might just use freaking Replit to host this. Dang, the bot is even online. Did I do the syntax right? Python 3 root blog made that pie. This is a sad memento. Alright, can we do I may just hook this up later, low key. How long has this stream been? Hour 55. Dang, boys. Alright, oh, it probably updated the blog article, didn't it? But it's not showing up as online. Like if I do I literally made that pie, it shows up as online. If we close it, it's no longer online. You know, this looks like a problem for future me, low-key. I think that's what it is. I think that's what might end up happening here. I might work on that later. But the code works, right? We have the blog post coming. The Python works. The problem is we don't know how to host it. I was using my VPS, but my VPS is being mean. Doesn't like how I'm doing this service. CAD CCS blog service. Right, we're doing /root CCS blog main.py. And we have the Python 3. Maybe we change this. How about this, right? We have the files in here. So if we chmod +x our main.py. Cool. I don't think our main.py has the shebang. It doesn't. All right, hold up, because I don't want to show the token. So there you go. You guys can't see my screen. It's magic. Let me go ahead and vim the pie, and then let me add a line so that way you guys don't see what I'm doing. Really just doing. All right, bin or user environment Python 3. I think that's how it is. Escape, save. All right, clear, and then. All right. You look so young. Yeah, it's because I shaved. I am pretty young though. I'm only 18. Yeah. All right. So let's do sudo. Or we need to do that copy. Yeah, the beard's gone. Exactly, dude. I had some nice facial hair, dude. So copy this to there. Cool. So we'll do sudo. Here, we'll just copy the commands again that we just did. We need to restart the. We didn't get that like that. Paste this in here. All right, so now that we reloaded it, we just need to enable CC sblog. All right, cool. So system ctl start the CCS blog. That service. My Gosh. Yeah, some 18-year-olds look 40. Was I one of those 18-year-olds that look 40? It'll grow back. Yeah, it'll grow back. Actually, my facial hair grows really quickly. Oh, I didn't edit the CCS blog service file, didn't I? Yeah, we need to move the... Let's get rid of this Python 3 stuff. Cool. Alright, so let's move back up to that copy. Domain reload. Where's the enable? And then where's the start? Okay, so that took a little longer, so it gives me more hope. Alright, that's still not working? Alright, it looks like we'll just use like Replit or something. But yeah, I don't have to record that. So this is what I'll do. Alright, for the sake of your sanity and not making this any longer than 2 hours, I'm going to end it here. We got the bot working, so that was the whole goal of this, right? I just don't know how to host it. I'm probably just going to use Replit because that's what most people do. I just wanted to see if I could get my server working. But it's alright, we'll do it, figure it out later. If you guys are interested in the code, I'll probably end up putting it on my GitHub. And I'll put it in the description if I do that. And I'll put it in the announcement in the Discord server. Join the Discord server. It's live. It's where I'm always at. Even when I have been off of YouTube for the past 2 months, I was in like Discord like every other day. So I'm in the voice chat all the time, working on malware and all this other cool stuff. So join the Discord. Link's in the description. I've been told y'all. But yeah, I will catch you guys later because I have a life to catch up. I don't have a life. I do this for fun. But yeah, I'm going to just relax. And I'll probably be in Discord, honestly. So yeah, you'll see me there. But anyways, stay happy, stay positive, and as always, happy hacking. Hey hackers, Blue Cosmo from CCS here, and I wanted to introduce you guys to the Happy Hacker Site Plan. The Happy Hacker Site Plan is a plan where you guys can support us for only $1 a month. That's right, $1. With this comes exclusive benefits like courses, articles, videos, and access to our entire cybersecurity knowledge base. If this interests you and you guys want to get access to all this, check out the link in the description. It's only $1, so we definitely appreciate your guys' support. Anyway, enjoy the video and happy hacking.